So in the video about Pluto, we learned about the structure of the solar system, but now we need to learn about one thing that wasn't really mentioned there, which is the outer reaches of the solar system, known as the Oort Cloud. So here we have a nice diagram which shows, here's the Sun, this circle shows the orbit of Neptune. Here we see the Kuiper belt, which extends basically from Neptune out to about 100 AU, and then out to 50,000 AU you have this spherical distribution of material further out, and this is known as the Oort Cloud. Now here you can see, so we've got the asteroids in here, got the Kuiper belt out here, but there are some objects that seem to come from much further away. So these are long period comets, or they're not on hyperbolic orbits, they're in bound orbits, but they're coming from all sorts of directions and they have very long orbits, so they must originate much further away than the Kuiper belt. And so this is why the Oort cloud is hypothesized. We haven't actually detected it directly, but we have seen objects that come from it. So here you can see a scale of it. So again, here we have the Sun, and this box would be this, and so here you can see Neptune's orbit, you can see the Kuiper belt, and then this is the Oort cloud. And in the Oort cloud you have things that they're still all orbiting the Sun, but they're on much larger orbits, and mostly they're staying much further away. You can see out to a radius of approximately 50,000 AU. And this is actually believed to be the structure of it, in terms of where we see things coming from. We've got comets coming in, but they do have this bound orbit. You've got things coming from further out than the Kuiper belt, but still within the Oort cloud, but still in this kind of plane of the solar system. And then you have things coming from further out, and so this is the structure that we expect to see. And this again is another way of looking at it, and this is based on looking at what comets we do see and how they must be distributed. And that's it for the Oort cloud. Next we'll go on to the formation of the solar system.